Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy bag for the month of May. I've actually been looking forward to this for weeks. So last month I actually upgraded to the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and I decided that I really missed my little bag as well. So today we're going to be unboxing the original Ipsy. I do have my Glam Bag Plus coming tomorrow, so I'm going to unbox that for you guys as well. So I've got my scissors ready. Let's see. So here is our little bag. So it's just a cute little glittery type bag with a black tassel zip. So it's like a champagne gold glitter, but it's got little flecks of like rainbows in it. So that's pretty cute. There is one little item that is not inside this bag. So it is a brush. This looks like it would be a good like blending brush. The handle is really pretty. It's got little glitter all through the handle. It's got two little stones on the ferrule, and then the bristles are like a blue that fades into a light purpley pink. This is actually really cute, and this brush feels pretty darn nice. SL Miss Glam? What does that say? Hold on. It says created by YouTube beauty guru Stephanie Lewis. This brand of glam brushes makes applying eyeshadow easy and fun. Synthetic and cruelty free, and this does feel like a pretty nice brush. I'm pretty excited to use that very soon. It's cute. All right, let's see what else we got. The next thing is the Preventative Measures 101 After Hours Lip Balm. It's hemp infused and it's a mint flavor. So this is what it looks like. I really like the fact that it has hemp in it. I know hemp seed oil is like super hydrating. Like, I don't really like mint, but who doesn't like mint? Like, I'm really the weird one. But this seems like it's really mild mint flavor, so I don't think I'm going to mind this. I will say the first three ingredients are petrolatum, paraffin, and mineral oil. Okay, so not like the best of ingredients, but I'm still game to give this a try and see how it works. I'm sure it will be just fine. It's got to be way better than just like chapstick. Oh, I got a little buxom gloss. This is the full-on plumping lip polish, and this is in the shade Calera, which looks like this. I do love these. My gloss is pretty much worn off at this point over top my liquid lip, so I'm gonna pop a little bit of this on. That feels really nice. I love these because they give you that little tingle and a little plump, but it still feels really comfortable. It just feels like refreshing. Okay, I got the Canadian Clay Pore Cleanser. This is by Neogen. So this is a little bitty guy right here. I've actually seen this before, but I've never tried this. Here is what the cleanser looks like in the little jar. So this is like a really tiny guy, but I think I'll be able to get a few cleanses out of this easily. All right, we have one more thing, and this is the Natural Radiance Base Primer. It's the MAC Prep and Prime. So a little tiny guy of that. I don't know that I've ever actually tried their primer before. So here is just a little pea size of it. Oh, it doesn't smell very good. I feel like that'll dissipate really easily, and it's got like just a little bit of tackiness but feels hydrating too. So I think I'm gonna like that as well. So this has been a pretty good little box, I have to say. So just to recap, got the little glittery purple and blue brush. We got the Preventative Measures After Hours lip balm. We got the buxom full-on lip polish, which is probably the thing that I'm most excited about. And then we also got our little Canadian Clay cleanser, and then the MAC Prep and Prime sample. So I think this is a pretty good little assortment of products. Of course, you do get the bag as well, which is really cute. I'm not super excited about the lip balm just after looking at the ingredients, but everything else I'm pretty excited to try. This is a pretty good little bag, and I still think for $10 you really can't beat that. It's a pretty darn good deal. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short unboxing. Let me know what you think below. Did you get any of the same products in your Ipsy bag, or are you subscribed? You guys know I love to hear what you have to say. Thank you so much. Anything that you guys can do, if you thumbs up, if you leave a comment, you subscribe, anything that you guys do really means the world to me and helps my channel out a lot. So thank you so much. And I do have one more little thing to take care of. Dad jokes. I had a job in a calendar factory, but I got sacked for taking a couple days off. Alright guys, I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.